Open your eyes. Recreate everything your body experienced. Up.
महीले सौंपता हूँ आपरथ में गगन में खोजता हूँ मग्न पति
We have a one body, and each of them is an organ of the body.
पहले जब पता चला मुझे कि बाहर से कोई आने वाले हैं सिखाने के लिए, अजीब डर था मन में थोड़ा सा कि मैं इंग्लिश नहीं जानता हूँ, कम्युनिकेशन में दिक्कत होगी, मैं शायद पीछे रह जाऊँ। फर्स्ट डे ही बताया गया कि वी आर टुगेदर, वी आर द पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी, वन इज़ हैंड, वन इज़ लेग, वन इज़ हार्ट, वन इज़ लंग्स। मेरे रिएक्ट करने पे ये भी रिएक्ट करेगा, उसके रिएक्ट करने पे वो भी रिएक्ट करेगा, कोई अकेला नहीं है, सब साथ है। तो उसमें कभी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि मैं लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ रहा हूँ, भाषा की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
हो गई है पीर पर्वत भी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए।
Because of my injury, I really thought that all I could do was observe from outside. I liked how in the end I was able to participate. I felt included in this workshop. The way everybody welcomed me, I could always give my views and comments. I could also see my batchmates growing more.
When there is a learning happens, body reflects accordingly.
In just 4 days, I can see a lot of changes in my body.
That I am more aware of the rhythm of the body, the flexibility of the body.
In terms of my physicality or in terms of my posture, at least in my case, there is a growth.
It's kind of knowing my body in different ways.
I learned about myself, about my strength, about my body.
It was very comfortable to breathe, to control my body, to know myself, to relate with my classmates.
This workshop is a very fun way to know about yourself.
Fun task.
The best thing is that the teaching is in a very detailed and precise way.
We do little but we do precise, we do together.
He brought many forms like Suzuki and biomechanics.
This kind of cross culture and practices as a faculty, I can understand the depth of that practice that we need for the students.
That is the kind of practice we always wanted to have.
मैंने देखा कि जो ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हैं उनसे कहीं ज़्यादा ट्रेनर खुद मेहनत कर रहा है।
Sir is very active.
That gives me much more energy.
I got inspired from his energy. More than a teacher, he was like a student.
He practiced with the participants.
The whole class, he start with us and he also end with us.
I could also see all of us being very comfortable. It was a really healthy environment throughout the workshop.
Rodrigo is giving us our space to explore or understand our body.
This acceptance of the body, our students, they enjoyed.
The way he tried to understand each and every student, it was like really great. And to actually talk to them and understand where they are standing right now and what they could do.
Even people who cannot attend the classes, it was for the very first time that I am going in a Zoom session.
And it's very pretty to see that all the ideas are welcomed from each and every student here.
It was like all healthy communication. There was like giving and taking. I really think because of that also students generated certain level of trust.
and that is a very beautiful thing. Just because of that positiveness, we learned so many things from you.
मैं एक एक्टिविटी के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा।
Walk of Latte.
हाँ, वो माइंड ब्लोइंग। इतना फिजिकल करके थक जाने के बाद फिर आप ऐसे चल रहे हैं शांत सीधे, और ऐसा जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, जैसे जैसे चल रहे हैं, तो लग रहा है कि पीछे का जो स्ट्रगल है वो ख़त्म होता जा रहा है, वो कहीं छूटता जा रहा है, वो पास्ट है अब वो हट गया हमारे शरीर से, हमारे काम से। फिर जैसे ही एक न्यू वर्ल्ड में एंट्री हुए हैं तो हर चीज़ साफ है, हर चीज़ अच्छा है। जनरली मैं किसी को मैसेज नहीं करता, लेकिन मैं उस दिन अब खुद को रोक नहीं पाया। मैं रात में जाके ऐसे पहले मैं हिंदी लिखा, फिर उसको ऐसे ट्रांसलेट किया, फिर मैंने रोड्रिगो को मैंने भेजा वो कि व्हाट आई फील, थैंक यू।
That was great, seriously. In this workshop, I got the meaning, real, what is called onsen.
Not only in body, I feel change in the connections with my batchmates here.
With my batchmates, I'm not that much attached, and I feel the connection now.
Right from the first thing from the workshop to the last exercise, we are doing together.
Working together and sweat together and feel together.
It's like individual bodies coming together to become one body.
So lungs are weak, so we have to collaborate today. The legs are weak, so we have to strengthen our leg.
That means we are together, like we are trying to understand each other, we are trying to connect with each other.
We are very alert, not only with our body, with the other bodies also.
It's like when you move, according to that, my body moves.
We are doing the exercises, the pauses at the same time.
So that ensemble work, that coordination, that energy, everyone is giving in a different way.
As a group, how can we make a performance beautiful?
It's like creating multiple planets, bringing into one constellation or a galaxy.
It's becoming together that I never felt with these batchmates before.
It was for the very first time that I connect with my classmates.
Which is very beautiful.
We are one team now.
And it made me satisfied actually. It's good.
And I really want to become an actor trainer also. I will definitely use all these things.
I would like to say in my mother tongue, Gio.
I just want to say thanks to 5 Angry Men.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias, señor.
Vikas!
Vikas, run.
Going on.
With you.
We now have become more than a team, like a family, so it feels like we are with each other and we are together.
It was fun.